Alright guys, hello. Today we're gonna code a little bit in the C++. So first of all we need to delete this code. We're gonna make a complex program. Alright, so we're gonna write include IO stream. Then we have to write int mine, and then we're gonna to make this what I'm writing right here, and we have to write hello world, and then you're gonna put this and put this, and yes, that's all. Oh, I forgot about one thing. We have to make this. Oh, and it will work. It's gonna work. So let's run this. As you can see, it works. We wrote hello world, and yes, that's all. Goodbye, my friendos, and see you next video.